In today's fast-paced world, industries demand communication solutions that never fail. With over 24 years of expertise, we deliver cutting-edge industrial communication products and solutions designed to keep your operations running smoothly, no matter how tough the environment. Our product line includes industrial Ethernet switches. Whether you need a Layer 2, Layer 3, managed or unmanaged switch, we've got you covered. Industrial edge computing gateways. With strong processing power, these gateways handle complex tasks and big data, supporting flexible development for industrial IoT upgrades. Routers. Our routers ensure reliable multi-network connectivity, supporting LAN, WAN, and 4G, 5G LTE, with intelligent failover to keep your devices connected at all times. Wireless APs. Our wireless access points eliminate the need for cabling, offering wide Wi-Fi coverage and no dead zones in industrial settings. Serial servers. For connecting legacy equipment, our serial servers support protocol conversion, meeting the unique needs of different industrial applications. And we're proud to serve a wide range of sectors. In renewable energy, our solutions ensure reliable communication for wind, solar, and hydroelectric plants, driving the future of sustainable power. In transportation, from railways to smart traffic systems and autonomous vehicles, our routers and switches keep everything connected, even in tough environments. For energy storage, we provide real-time data management for power grids and battery systems, ensuring smooth energy distribution. In industrial automation, we enable seamless communication across factories and warehouses, boosting productivity and reducing downtime. In mining, our products ensure reliable communication in the harshest environments, keeping operations safe and efficient. We offer industrial-grade designs, a complete product line, cutting-edge technologies like bypass, TSN, and PTP, and strict quality control certified by international standards like CE, FCC, UL, and ISO 9001, guaranteeing top-notch quality. We provide global technical support with a seamless integration of marketing, sales, and technical support to ensure your needs are met at every stage. Our 5-year warranty ensures maximum uptime and operational efficiency for your business. At Maisvch, we're not just providing products, we're delivering the reliable, cutting-edge communication solutions that industries depend on every day. Want to learn more? Visit our website and see how we can help you power the future of industry.